So earlier this year, my daughter needed an end table, and I've started it, and I will show you what I've got so far. Okay, so here it is. Nope, there it is. Okay, very basic construction. Super easy to build. Put screws where you put screws. You got some pocket holes. I built a couple of those same benches down here to hold up tools and such. And anywho, that's the beginning of it. Okay, so here's the pallet that I'm going to use. Just an ordinary pallet. I do some extraordinary work to it. Okay, now I gotta get all the nails out. I'm not going to show you that. Alright, took all the nails out of them. Out of 13 boards, I could probably use 12 of them.